Hello everybody, Mr. Heeb here. Hope you're having a great day. What we're going to be working with today is strings. Now strings are just another way of saying we're going to learn how to deal with words instead of just dealing with numbers. So you have had some experience working with strings when you wrote the Hello World program. So I'm going to start with there and then move out. So we had Hello World. Now we just ran that and it just printed hello world, nothing too dramatic, but we're able to print whatever it has there. Now if we did this and we didn't have the quotes around it and ran it, it will tell us that there's an error here because it knows what print means, but Python has no idea what hello or world means at all. So to make something a string, we just need to put quotes around it. And then the computer will know that that's a word. It doesn't have to process at all. It's just something that it's going to treat as words, and it doesn't have to think about what those things mean. So it won't even look inside to see what those things are. Now we can either have single quotes on the outside, or we can have double quotes on the outside. If your quotes don't look like this, it's your keyboard might be in a different mode, and talk to me about that if that is an issue that you have, because we have to move your computer or Chromebook to get out of international mode. But if this is all working and Hello World is popping up down below, things are working how we want it to be. So now what we want to do is look at something where quotes matter. So if I said welcome to Mr. Heeb's classroom, if I print this, it'll say welcome to Mr. Heeb's classroom on the bottom. Now remember I said on the outside you could have single quotes or double quotes, it doesn't matter? Well, sometimes it does matter. If you look at this, when I run this with single quotes, it comes up with an error because I have an apostrophe in the sentence, and so it thinks that we have a string from here to here, and it doesn't know what S classroom means. So it's going to say there's an error here. So if you're using an apostrophe throughout your string, you're going to need double quotes on each side. Also, it's very important, if you start with double quotes, you end with double quotes. If you start with a single quote, you end with a single quote. So that beginning marker is what it's going to look for to close off that string. All right, now there's going to be some times where you might have some character saying something in a program, and you might say like, she said, what? What is this? All right. Now, oops. I'm going to do a single quote. So here, it's going to run, and it'll say, she said, what is this? And we want that in quotes. Now, this works because we started with a single quote, ended with a single quote, and the double quotes are going to be inside there. Now, if we started with a double quote and ended with a double quote, it will be confused. It'll think there's a string that says from she to before W, and it won't know what any of this white and blue stuff is. So this is one instance where you need a single quote on the outside of this situation. All right, so we run that, and now it's working properly. So hopefully you understand when you need a single quotes on the outside, double quotes on the outside, and when it doesn't matter at all. All right, thanks.